Getting ready for your next trip? Don't forget the most important travel essential, the RORO eSIM data plan. With the RORO, staying connected is simple and convenient. You can purchase your data plan before you even leave, either on our website or through our app. Just open the website or app, choose your destination, and browse through our flexible plans. Whether you need a fixed data package or unlimited data, RORO has something for everyone. Once you've found the perfect plan, simply make your purchase. It's super easy. After a successful payment, you will receive an email with everything you need. Installing your eSIM is simple and takes less than 1 minute. Follow the step-by-step guide and you're ready to stay connected wherever you go. With RORO, enjoy your travel.